guaranteed no later than 12 o'clock. Is early.
And you're not going to drink too much, are you?
Hello, it's me.
Okay.
Never do that.
Okay, but be careful, okay? Because I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye.
See you at midnight. You just go ahead and go to bed. Don't worry about me.
I'll do that.
Oh man, partied way too. Oh man, it's 3 a.m. He was gonna kill me. Okay, quiet, quiet. Must sneak in. Quiet. Cool, I made it. Okay. Oh no, the cuckoo clock. It's 3 a.m. Yes, 12 o'clock. She's still asleep. Good morning, my love.
Good morning. So, what time did you get home last night?
12 o'clock, just like I told you I would.
Well, then we're going to have to get that cuckoo clock repaired.
What? Well, why did you say that? Spinning. I think no. The cuckoo clock. No, that's 3 o'clock.
Because I heard that cuckoo clock, cuckoo, 6 times and cough. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Then it cuckooed 6 more times. Giggled. Cuckoo. It's gonna work. Cuckoo. 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 Fell to the floor and then fart. So, what time did you get home last night?